Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Guru Ravi, and in this video we are going to discuss some key facts about the operators in Java, right. We have a detailed video of operators, but here we are going to talk about how the operators will be working, because some of the very important questions are asked in the competitive scenarios. So, let us take an example here. Here I have taken a byte type of variable a, which is initialized to 5, and another variable of the same byte type b, which is initialized to 3. Now, I am going to perform the arithmetic addition a plus b on this byte value a and byte value b. So, a plus b I am calculating here, and then the result I am going to assign to c, which is also again a byte type of variable. So, normally it should be not a big issue, because I am calculating the sum of two byte variables. I am assigning to the result to a byte variable itself. So, there is no discrepancy here, but this code will not compile. Please have a look at this. This code is going to fail on this particular line. Why it is going to fail? Because of the certain rules which are applied at the back end by the operators in case of Java. So, what is the rule here is, there are two rules basically you need to understand. First one is, whenever the operators are applied, like this plus operator is applied, so both the operands will be brought to the same level, right. If let us say one variable is of byte type, other variable is of short type, so both the variables will be of same type before applying the operator. So, definitely what the compiler will do, it will convert the lower precision type to higher precision type, means it will go for the widening, means if you have byte and short, so byte will be promoted to short type, because in widening there is no objection, but in narrowing it is explicit. So, first rule you can understand is कि both the operands must be coming to the same level through the widening. Second rule that we are applying here in the operators is that whenever any operator is applied, so minimum promotion will be done at the int level, or this thing is directly stated in the literature as the result of any operator is always int. But the fact is that whenever any operator is applied, so all the operands will be converted to the minimum level of integers. It will be converted to int at least. Means what is going to happen here is, I am going to apply plus. So, it will first of all check both the operands. It will check both the operands. If any operand is, it will check the higher type of operand, and if the higher type operand is above the int, it will convert the other operands to that level only. What I mean to say is, let us say I am having a byte here and I am having another variable long b is equal to 10. So, what is going to happen? If I am applying here a plus b, so a is byte type, b is long type. So, what is going to happen? A will be also converted to long type. Widening will be done for a will be converted to long type, b is also long type. So, long plus long, the result will be long, right. But suppose here b is short type, right. Now, the second scenario is b is of short data type. So, now it will check a is of byte type, b is of short type, both are less than the int type in precision level. So, here both will be converted to int type, means minimum promotion of both the operands will be up to int, but any other operand is higher than int, so both the operands will be promoted to that higher type. Like in the previous scenario, both are promoted to long, here both will be promoted to int, and int plus int, the result will be int. So, the result is int and now we are going to assign the int to byte. Int to byte is narrowing. So it has to be explicitly done. You cannot compile this code, this will give you compilation error. Why? Because it has to be written like this. A plus B will give you int, and this int has to be typecasted to byte, and then it can be stored into the byte variable, right. So this is the rule of type conversion. It means, first of all, the operator will ensure that both the operands are of same level. And what will be the level? If both the operands are below the int level, so both operands will go to the int level. If any operand is higher than the int level, so both the operands will go to the type which is of the higher type. Again, let us take one more example which will make it very clear. Let us say you have a float variable a is equal to 1.5f, and second one is long variable 10, and now I am writing here int c is equal to a plus b. So now what is going to happen in this scenario? A plus b, if you believe on the fact that result of plus operator is always int, so this code will compile, but actually it is not like that. What is going to happen here is A is type float and B is type long. Which is the higher type? Float is the higher precision, right. So both the operands will go to the float level. It means A is already float, B will be promoted to float, means B will become 10.0, A is 1.5. Both are float, result will be what? Result will be float plus float, that is float. It means it will give you 11.5. Now the 11.5 I am trying to assign to int. Float to int, narrowing. It means this code will not compile, it has to be written like this. Int a plus b, right. So these are certain rules while working with the operators in case of Java. So that's all for this video. Thank you.